It's May 23rd, 2015. Felix is playing music. Sing us a song, Felix. Great. Anything else happen today? Mama went bye-bye?
Yeah.
Okay. She's just at work.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Good playing.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What is that?
Pokemon.
It's a Pokemon?
Yeah.
Who likes Pokemon cards?
Wow. Wow.
What is that?
Wow.
Is it a submarine?
Yeah.
Is it a green submarine?
A blue dragon.
A blue and what other color? Orange?
Yeah, that one. My airplane orange.
Your airplane's orange?
That one.
That's orange? But what color is that? Blue and what?
Blue and that.
And blue. Mm-hmm. Is it yellow?
Yeah. Yeah, orange.
That's orange, huh?
That orange.
That's orange.
That's me.
The fire truck?
That's orange.
No, garbage truck.